Alright, good afternoon there, ladies and gentlemen. Iguana Exterminators here. We're out in a home in Coral Springs. There's a bunch of iguanas that have been digging into part of the yard right by the pool, and we're going to see if we can go ahead and take them out. We see one now. He's just over the way, so let's go ahead and see what we can do about him. Got him. Put an extra one in just in case. Had the power down low. I'm going to pause this while we go get him. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Iguana Exterminators. We get our iguana.